here to showcase their idea through a video. And I assure they don't bring Pokemons.
Hey guys, I'm Abhishek.
And I'm Vishnu. We are both IT second semester students.
And we are Firefox student ambassadors.
We will be showing you a video which expresses our view of open source.
We recently started contributing to open source and we want to promote this idea into the other students of our college. So this is what we are up to.
our next topic of discussion is Google Summer of Code, popularly known as GSoC.
The Google Summer of Code is an annual program held from May to August, in which Google awards stipend of $5,500 to those who successfully complete a requested free and open source software coding project during the summer.
Now, I would like to invite Charul to come on stage and brief us about GSoC. Friends, it's a pleasure telling you all that she has been selected as an intern at Genome Outreach Program for Women at Fedora organization.
Hello everyone, I am Charul and I am a third year undergraduate student at IIIT Allahabad and I am currently doing my internship at Fedora. I got selected to a OPW internship program. Its winter round was there from December to March and I have completed 2.5 months of my internship. So my journey didn't begin like this. I also applied for the last round, that was summer round of OPW program. I submitted my application, but somehow, because I didn't make any contribution, so I didn't get selected. But this time I was really decided that anyhow I have to make through it. So I was truly prepared and I make it. Also, I was working on a research project from last 1 year. It got selected in an IIIT conference and yesterday I presented my paper there. So let me begin. It was on social media privacy and profitability. So, can you tell me how many of you want to work on a internship project and earn from your home or from your campus and earn an amount of $5,500 in 3 months? Can you raise your hands, please? Cool. This is really cool. Okay, so I should start. What is GSoC and what is OPW program? What is GSoC basically? This is the whole agenda of my presentation. I will be briefing about what is Google Summer of Code, how to apply. As you might be knowing that this is the 10th round of Google Summer of Code. So this time there are some special things they have introduced. What is GSoC? GSoC was basically started for university students to encourage them to contribute to open source development projects. 10 special things that has been introduced is they have increased the stipend from $5,000 to $5,500. That is, they have increased to 10%. Next, they will select 10% more students this time, and this time they will take 10 more countries from where no selection has been done till now. So what's the goal of this program? It is basically to inspire the students to contribute to open source development projects, to make them introduced to real life development projects, tools that like GitHub, we have mailing list etiquettes, we have IRC channel through which communication is done with the developers. Okay, so this program wants to bring developers, coders, students and make them contribute in these open source projects. And one more thing is that whatever you will contribute to these projects, it will be your own. Like whatever I have done in my project, my project is Data Gripper. I am working in Fedora. And I can see it, you can go to GitHub and view my profile and you can see whatever contributions that I have made. of all, the organizations give their projects. These are the deadlines. First of all, organizations give their projects, their project ideas. Then they are get selected by the Google. After that, student mentorship period, student application period starts. Then students have to make some initial contribution to the project. Like I am interested in working on data gripper, suppose. So I will have to contact my mentor and ask him what contribution should I make to the project. Then if you make some initial 4 or 5 patches is simply a small portion of code. It may be you have solved some bug on the existing project, or you have added some feature to it. So it can be anything. You have to make some contribution. That's the. So this time application period starts from 10 to 21 March, and tomorrow the selected projects will be announced on 24th Feb. Then you have 3 months of time to work on the project, and in between there will be some milestones that you have to complete. And final evaluation will be done on 22nd August. It will begin from 19 May to 22nd August. Next comes stipend. You all be knowing, like Google gives $6,000 that is, and 5,500 will be given to the students and 500 for the mentoring organization. What are the participating projects that you can contribute? Like we have projects on operating system, like Fedora, Debian is there, and hardware management, mobile portable handheld devices, databases, programming languages. Like I am working in, my project is in Python, so I code in Python basically. But these days I am also working on a Wikimedia extension, and it's ongoing. Further, you have photography, music, TV, all. And you can also work on documentation projects. If you know 2 or 3 languages, then you can work on those also. Next is, why should I participate? So, students, you will get to learn the real development tools, like I said before, like GitHub and or IIT channel, and you will also met most of the developers there. You will get in touch of the developers. You can ask them and give your ideas. Also, you can later on work for the organization that you will be contributing. There are some useful links like www.googlemirage.com. Here you can find the selected projects, and you have Google Summer of Code. This is discussion list, because project has not been announced yet, but it's some discussions about project are going on this discussion website. And then you have a manual how to start contributing. Okay, one more thing I would like to say is, first of all, you have to how these things will go. Like, okay, I'll talk about this later on. First of all, let me introduce to OPW program, that's Outreach Program for Women. It's especially organized to encourage women to start contributing